Morning, bought a Rambler here. Just took delivery of my new Tomshoo Titanium Alcohol Stove. Got it from that AliExpress. Takes about a couple of weeks to come. It's about 10 or 11 quid. Really cheap. I've used them a couple of times. Always been fine with me, like, you know. It's so look in the box. Little bag for storing it in. Cable of some kind, I have no idea what that's for. Anybody knows that can let me know. Little lightweight storage bag. And here's the little beast itself. Everything's nicely packaged. It's taken about 2 weeks to come from sort of China, so it's not too bad. Here we go, Tomshoo, little alcohol stove. Got some little markings inside, obviously telling you the amounts what you put in. There's some card in the box. Tomshoo, tell your friends and family. And also that come with it is this little, if I can get it open, obviously stick your cup on it. So yeah, it's time to give it a little test. What do you think? Keep all these consumables out the way. Last thing we want to do, there we go, the little stove. Very lightweight. Obviously, you can take it alongside your gas one as a spare one, I suppose. Just going to put some meths in. Not too much. What I'll do is the cap. Awesome. There we go, got it blind now. The lighter, that's the best solution. Let's just see what happens here then. There we go. Nice flame there. Yeah. Burning away nicely. Obviously time for it to warm up and get round. Right, it's taken about 3 or 4 minutes to get it right up to temperature, and it's coming out all the little holes all the way around on the bottom ring and on the top one. So now I will pop my water on, give it a little time. Here we go, 10:59. See how long it takes. Maybe it just wants to go a bit more over there, I think, is it? That's it. That's my 650 alp kit, I think. Or is it 450? Not sure anyhow. That fits nicely on there. So we'll see how long it takes to brew up. So yeah, you've got to give it 2 or 3 minutes, 4 minutes probably max, for it to get up to temperature and obviously get through all them portals. But it seems to be going well now. and we'll see how long it takes. Yeah, I don't know what this little ring thing is that's come with it. I don't know if anybody obviously it just unscrews somehow, he says. There we go. No idea. No idea what that's for. Is it tying to your bag or something? I don't know. Somebody may be able to pour some light on it. Anyhow. Yeah, it's burning away nicely now. Yeah, bubbling away underneath. So the thing with these old kit ones, the top doesn't stay up. I know some of them you can pull them across. Yeah, just gotta. Right, that's it bubbling away. 11:02, about 3 minutes then. Oh, yeah. Steaming away nicely. So there it is, the Tomshoo alcohol stove. Yeah, it gives a bit of heat off. Obviously, I think I've overfilled it with the meth, so you wouldn't need to put an awful lot in. It's probably been burning for about 10 minutes. So yeah, just a little amount of meths would suffice. Also, I got the price wrong. It was just over £13 from AliExpress, and its weight is about 45 grams. I think that's just for the bottom bit, but the top bit is, you know, barely grams as well. But yeah, it's not a bad piece of kit. And obviously when it cools down, you've got this this little bag it all goes in. But what I'll do is, when it's used all the see, the meths are nearly burnt out now, it will run out soon, I'll put it in, when it's cooled down, put it in a plastic bag and then put it in that. And obviously the little cross stand. So yeah, that's fine, that. So yeah, I've used AliExpress a couple of times, and it usually takes a couple of weeks, but I've had no issues. What I'll do is I'll put a link at the bottom of the page. It's the Tomshoo store on AliExpress, so you can't really miss it. They've got quite a lot of things on there for sale. I also bought like a wood burner. I've obviously been to the weather today being a bit naff. I would like to give that a go as well, but I'm off into some woods on Thursday, so hopefully I'll give it a little test on Thursday, get some small pieces of wood and stuff. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Out for now.